Welcome back to DIY with Lenny, guys. This is our part 6 in our garden projects. We're going to finish the south side of the garden or the border, and we're going to plant all the perennials in here. In my part 1 video series, I was explaining about the hostas, why I had to transfer them in the north side of the house. So I hope you watch that and the rest of the series of the videos for these particular garden projects. So I'm just gonna jump into it, and you could just watch me while I'm doing this, and then I'll give you a tour afterwards. So guys, I finally finished this south border of the house. I'm gonna give you a tour now, and we'll go through the flowers. So the first one is salvia, pink profusion. All these plants are perennials, and this one is the autumn joy. It gives that blooms in early summer. It looks like green broccoli, and then it turns into pink when it opens up. Almost like a burgundy, deep burgundy in fall. This is the summer to fall plant, and the salvia, of course, they bloom late spring to all the way through late summer. And then this one is the iris, the spring flowers. So most of these flowers are voles repellent, except the sedum. So right now it's green, and then when it turns a little bit yellow later on in early summer, I'm gonna cut this back, probably like 2 inches. Leave it 2 inches, so that the energy goes down to the back to the bulbs. And then we have this alliums, and it's gonna give you blooms until like early fall. So I will link all the photos, what they look like, the ones that are blooming. And then I just carry on the pattern. But of course, in the middle here, I have another sedum, salvia. This one is fuchsia, salvia fuchsia. This is from Proven Winners. It looks a little bit big, so
and I got a really good deals with this one. It was like $19, and then they went down to $10 because all the flowers were done blooming. But of course, you know, once you trim them, they're gonna flash out more blooms, more flowers. And this is the iris with flowers. It gives you a really deep purple when it's like brand new, and then as it gets you know, older, like maybe a week later, the flowers start to fade, and then it gives you that little bit of light purple. So I will link the photo for that one when it was really deep purple. And then you have the salvia again, the fuchsia, the sedum. And then on the other side, I carried on the pattern. So both ends are gonna have the same pattern. So you have the alliums, your iris, and the flowers is like, they're beautiful. Look at that. This one is pretty old. It's just like a week old or so, and they're still blooming. Next year, hopefully it'll be nice and green. They're all stressed out, so they look like that. And then you get your salvia and your sedum. So let's hope the voles won't come back here anymore. So these are the voles repellent plants, guys, perennials. So the iris look like this, guys, when it's bloomed. So beautiful. Okay guys, that's about it for today. Thank you so much for watching DIY with Lenny. I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.